These are all toys from different TV shows on Netflix. This one's from Superwings, Robot Trains, and Robot Cars. They look like they've all been made by the same toy manufacturer and also made from the same cartoon maker, right? Because look at this. They look almost exactly the same. So my brother accidentally purchased these thinking they were robot trains, but they look exactly like robot trains, but they're actually robot cars. So this one's Polly. You see, it's made almost exactly the same. The legs just come back and forth. Here's Polly. The kids really didn't know who these guys were, but it's still okay. And this guy over here is Roy. And again, he looks just like a robot train. And they transform pretty much the same. Leg goes up, or you have to twist it a little bit. Leg goes up. And the arms go in a certain way. Same thing with this one. Leg goes up, but I have to twist first. And then leg goes up or something. Wait, forgot the back. Back goes up. Uh-oh. And these things can come off pretty easily. Like that. So I just have to make sure.
You have to push it in.
I have to push the leg in like this, so that this thing fits in there. Let's see. Oh shoot.
Get away.
Something like this.
It is.
See the robot trains? Robot cars, and then Superwings. I think Superwings came out first. Superwings. And then you have robot trains, robot cars. It's cool that you can transform them, but compared to like Transformers rescue bots, the rescue bots can be really easy to transform. You just do this. You can't move the arms, but it's just easy to transform, and it doesn't break as easily as this, where I can easily take off the arm like this. And it's might be difficult for some people to put the arm back in. But in this case, I can snap it back in. Same thing with what I showed you earlier. The leg on here pops out pretty easily. Same thing with the arms. They come off pretty easily. So I just want to say that these three different cartoons, they all look pretty much alike, and you could easily buy toys for them without not knowing they were from different cartoons.